What is going on, everybody? It is Fitz and Ryan and Emmy's Miata back here with another video. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. If you guys know, Ryan has sold the Mini. It is gone. It has been gone for a little bit. So rest in peace to the Mini. But he still has his Serbs, which are 4x100. Are you guys picking up? You guys picking up what we're putting down right now? We're going to test fit these 17-inch Serb 2s. Serb 2s or 1s? Serb 1s on the Miata. So I'm just like really curious. Ryan thinks 17s are too big. Emmy thinks 17s are too big. And I'm just saying, I think it'll be hot boy as fuck. So we're gonna try it out. Let's get this car in the air and let's get these Johnnies on the car. Let's do it. Real quick before we get the car in the air, these wheels are for sale. They're Serb 1s. What are the specs?
17 by 7 plus 30.
Okay.
And then plus 18.
All right.
2 of them, yeah.
4x100. They're actually in great condition if you guys look at the chrome faces and chrome lips.
Some of them have some curb rash on them, like this one. For
little bit of imperfections. 1,200 bucks, you said?
Yeah, 1,200.
North Carolina area. Somebody come get them. Let's test fit them on the yacht. You guys already know. Shout out Benchmade. I know you're not supposed to pry with the knife, but that much will be okay. There you go. Tire iron, sir. Schwows. I still hate using this thing, but anyways, let's get these stock wheels off. Big man, tiny car. Tiny little baby car. I'm excited for mine to get here. Are y'all?
Little baby car.
Little baby car. Real quick before I toss them on, this wheel and the one down there at the end have the smaller lips. So they're gonna go in the front. Ryan's got the, and then Ryan with the bigger lip wheels are gonna go in the rear. I think this is gonna be absolutely sick because they have rubber band tires. Oh, so it's, I really hope this works. Let me just say, this is looking so good so far, dude. I don't think they're gonna be too big. Anyways, our first problem was we needed a 21mm socket and one that would fit in the wheels. So I got that set up. We're gonna put all these on by hand and then torque them down here in just a minute. It's like really hard to fit that extension and socket in there. Also, her fenders are not rolled. They're all nice little OE unrolled fenders, front and rear. So I doubt we'll get to take this thing out today, but at least we can look at them on the car on the ground and see what we got going on. As for my Miata, we got 19 days till we get to go pick it up, March 27th. A couple more days till Riverside, I think next weekend after next, something like that. Super excited. We're gonna be taking the wagon all the way out to Chattanooga, Tennessee. It is like 7 hours, 7.5 hours with stops and everything, so I don't want to take the Skyline. You got your 2 lug nuts on? Let's drop this thing and see what it looks like, dude. I'm excited. All right, you guys ready for this? You guys ready for this? Let's do it. Dude, that's hard. That jack's kind of broken. Yo, what do you guys think? What do you guys think? So here they are from the back side, whatever. Just for comparison, all right, since we're just comparing to the stockies, here's what the other side looks like. All right, and here is what this side looks like. Dude, I'm about it. That is so hot. Ryan doesn't like it without camber and they're not wide enough for his taste, but dude, the chrome wheels with the chrome tint. Hold on, I gotta get a thumbnail. 1 second. Hey, I have a surprise for you. Ready? Okay.
She just hang up.
Yeah.
Damn. She ain't gonna answer, bro. Damn, that's fucked up.
Dude, you guys saw that, right? Oh, she's coming down. Hey!
Bruh, it smells so bad.
It does still smell like tires. Hard? See, I like it. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm
saying. It's too clean for the car. It's like...
Okay, but that's what helped makes it look so good. Doo-doo machine. Oh my god.
Nah, there was like that when I bought
Ryan says, yeah, I hit curbs. I hit fat curbs.
it. Take a look at the red farm, is it just for-
I mean,
Dude,
it's like
okay.
a little donkish.
What do you think? See?
We got rubber band tires on these, but it looks
Hard.
yeah,
Hard?
It looks really good.
Listen.
But like they're kind of donkish.
Who was right? Who was right
I
when...
still don't think it looks that good.
Okay, you just shut up. Emmy, who was right?
No one's right.
Fitz was right. This shit is hard. Hard. Ryan, let me get that one more time. About how they look?
I said, nah, you gonna let me say the whole thing?
Yes.
They don't look as bad as I thought they were going to look, but in their current form, without a rebuild, I think they look pretty stupid. Pretty trash.
I'll cut that part out.
Yeah, okay.
I'm just kidding. Emmy, again, Donk are cool as heck.
I'm sorry, but so in the front it looks really good, but in the rear, donk as fuck.
Didn't we run out of coil in the rear? Oh no, they're maxed out in the front, but we can lower the rear.
Donk AF, bro. It's kind of ugly.
They look kind of sick. Dude, from here, it's just like a cool little stance car. I lied. The rears are maxed, but that's okay. We'll just get bigger tire. You wanna go on washers again, Emmy? I'm just kidding.
You want me to be grilled by the internet again?
I'm just kidding.
Oh my god, Emmy, you should kill yourself because you put your car on washers.
Yo, they is fighting. He gone. All right, I'll give you guys a one last look, one last little walk around here before we gotta put the stockies back on. Yeah, it's gonna be like way too much work to put all the lugs on and then put it down and torque it and do all that. And one of these tires is like flat because I don't know. But anyways, here's one last look at it. And time to put the stockies back on. All right, Emmy. Well, the stocks are back on. End of an era. I have a question for you. Do you want to keep this car and build it and put a kit on it and nice wheels and all that, or do you want a new car?
Why are you asking
Or it's like
me
50-50.
Why are you asking me this?
Dumb, stupid head. Can
Who
I have
has
that
to-
thingy? Thank you.
You're ruining the segment.
You're ruining the interview, bro. What the hell?
I
Please
think it
just
goes
don't
good
get my
with a
neck.
nice amount of comedy in there.
Okay, start again.
What's your answer?
Who's paying for it?
You.
It takes time.
I don't know. Why?
Because I know you found that Mazda Speed that started off at like $7 grand that you wanted. Can we see it? All of us,
Dude,
all
the
of us
car-
here want to see it.
The car stayed at like $5 grand. It was like 5.7, and it stayed at that for like 12 hours. And then this morning it shot up.
Yeah, what did it sell for? Like 12?
Yeah, 12.5
Dear
to some
God.
guy named John. But it looks like I was looking at his sorry, these are all the pictures. This was actually like a super nice car.
That's what I'm saying.
I've been telling Fitz about it for the past
2 days.
16 hours.
Yeah, pretty much. But yeah, just off the top of your head, you wanna keep this one and build it?
Yeah.
May as well.
I do want a new car though.
You got a daily.
Yeah, but we also like don't really have room for another car. Ryan, you
we
need to
could
move
figure
out.
it out.
I need another car. Yeah.
I'm trying really hard. Fuck. Oh yeah. And just like that, the stock wheels are back on. Go comment down below right now. Do you guys like the stock daisies, little 15s, or do you guys like the hot boy, hot girl 17s on the Miata? I don't have a whole lot else to talk about or do this evening in this video, so I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap it up. I just wanted to show you guys what that would look like on the car if she decided to go with 17s, and it was more just my own personal curiosity to see what the hell they would look like. Once again, I think they look so good. Emmy and Ryan thought they were a little too big, but we all are entitled to our own opinions. But that is gonna be it for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. This has been Fitz Miller, Emmy's Miata, Ryan, Emmy. back here with another video, and we'll see you guys in the next one.